Hello and welcome to another YouTube video here at Premium Bespoke Auto Works. This is going to be the second, if I'm right, install in our G80 shop car series. So we've got the G80 shop car. This is our project to work on for the foreseeable. We're going to be developing our own parts as well as fitting other manufacturer and aftermarket parts to the vehicle. One DIY installation you can do at home which makes a massive difference is the strut brace. So if we come around to the front of the vehicle here, I'm going to be changing out the factory strut brace and putting in one of our own carbon fibre strut braces. So if you cast your minds back to the F80 series, they came with a really nice carbon fibre strut brace from factory. Looked very, very good. Not a lot of people changed them because it looked great. However, for some reason with the G series, they haven't followed that through. So we've got a metal strut brace here, just doesn't look special. Obviously there's a bit of weight to it as well for, you know, technical reasons and stuff, but if you want to spruce up your engine bay, it's not really all that great. So today I'm going to be fitting our two-piece carbon fibre strut brace, this being the top piece and this being the boomerang piece. The great thing about our strut brace is it actually weighs less than 1 kg, it actually weighs 0.98 kg, whereas the factory strut brace, both pieces together, weighs 4 kg. So you're getting a decent weight saving as well as your engine bay looking a lot more special than it currently looks. So I'm going to get the factory strut brace off the vehicle, fit the new one, and then we can see what a difference that it's made. Okay, so I've just finished up the installation of our carbon fibre strut brace. As you can see, it's always the smallest details and the smallest changes that make the most difference. Away with the old fat, heavy metal one, and in with the nice, sleek looking carbon fibre piece. We've actually saved a little bit of weight, as I mentioned, 3 kg, which is great. And it's really an installation that you can do at home. You can do it DIY, or if you don't feel comfortable, you can come to us. We can do the installation for you, or if you find a reputable garage, they can do the installation for you too. Our engine bay is still looking OEM plus. We do have some more changes to come. We're not gonna go overboard because we like to keep things, you know, middle ground, as I say, middle ground. But that completes the installation of our carbon fibre strut brace. If you are interested in any of the products that we sell at Premium Bespoke Auto Works, head over to our website, send us an email, reach out to us on social media. We will have a solution to suit you. At the time of recording this video, you can go over to our website, so I'll leave the link in the description down below for our strut brace, and you can purchase the strut brace for your own G80 or G82 M3 or M4. You can also choose a different colour logo if you don't like the white. If you want red, yellow, blue, anything like that, we can change the logos too. And I'm going to end the video here, guys. So thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode of our G80 shop car series.